Меня зовут Иванычева Наталья. Сегодня Лена преподает мне первый урок английского, который я, к сожалению, забыла.
Perfect. So let's discuss a little bit about you because I haven't seen you for ages and I'm interested in your life. Okay. Okay, let's start from the beginning. How long did you learn English?
10 years.
14 years, perfect. How long you haven't been learning English? And since you stopped learning? Okay. Okay. It's okay. How long it passed since your last lesson of English?
7 years ago.
7 years ago, the last lesson. Okay. What do you want from these lessons?
I want know English, but I don't know English.
Okay. It's just temporary. So, what do you want to learn today?
I don't know. What you want?
What I want? Okay. What I have to offer. That's fine, of course. I'm a teacher, you're a student, so you want to learn what I have to offer. Okay. So you understand me when I'm talking, right? Okay. Let's talk about yourself. Tell me a little about you.
I live in Kazan. I'm working.
You're working, okay.
I'm very happy. And я не знаю.
And I не знаю. That's fine. I love this English word, не знаю. Okay.
Я не знаю, потому что как уместить все, что произошло за это время.
That's fine. Just I'll ask you questions. Do you have anyone to date? Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Yes, you do. That's why you're happy. Okay. Do you like your job? What are you doing there?
I'm work to computer.
Okay. You work with computers. Okay. Is your boyfriend from your work?
No.
He's not. Where does he work?
He have короче, у него фирма своя.
He's a businessman.
Да.
Okay. He's a businessman. That's nice. Probably he has nice car. That's just a joke, of course. Okay. How is your mom and dad?
Stop.
Stop. Okay.
In последний? You, yeah.
My name is Natalia.
Something interesting about yourself? What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do in your free time with your friends?
We go chess.
Okay. Do you like to party and dance?
No, I don't like party.
Oh, okay. Do you like to go to the cinema, see movies, read books?
Maybe I like coffee, opera, theater.
Okay.
Yeah. Diva.
Oh, diva. Oh, that's
You're a
it.
diva.
Oh, very good. And she's also a teacher. Her English is very, very good.
We will studying English with Elena.
So,
Really?
yeah.
4-5 days.
I'm her tutor.
5 days.
Did you speak English at all before those 5 days?
Сейчас скажу. Как,
Ты знаешь эту фразу.
She's amazing. Her memory must be perfect.
Yes, of course. She studied English before in
Oh,
school,
okay.
but it was 10 years ago.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Long time ago. Teacher, how are you feeling today?
my feelings.
No, how are you feeling? Yes, tell us. How are you
Oh,
feeling?
I feel really proud of her because
Oh.
she's.
will do you like our city?
Do I like your city? Yeah. Your city's cool. Your people are nice. There's not that many people, though. There really isn't. There's not that many people. Whenever I look in the street, there's not that many cars. There's no traffic jams or nothing. It's you have a lot of space and it's good. You know, I like it. Not that many people, so it's pretty. Very cultural. Old buildings everywhere. So I like that. Yeah. Okay.
And do you like Russian people?
Oh, jeez. Do I like Russian people? They're okay. Depends on where you are, which
Boys
city.
or girls?
I knew it was coming. It always happens. It always happens. But you know, I'm ready for it. We're all adults. What did you be with?
23.